What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing this Rotofab intake on the ZL1. First mod for the Camaro. I got this on a pretty good deal. I got this for 200 bucks shipped, and it's definitely got some decent wear and tear on it, but nothing terrible. I think it's still a pretty good deal. It's like 500 bucks new. So let's go ahead and get right into it, and let's start installing. Alright, these are all the tools it says that you need. So I have a 7mm socket, an 8mm socket, a 10mm deep socket, 3/8 inch ratchet. I have the screwdriver with a T15 Torx bit on the end of it. It says you need some pliers, it doesn't say what kind, so I don't know. Then we have Phillips and a flathead. So that should apparently be all you need. Let's go ahead and start removing the stock one real quick. So there's this. This is your ground wire, and you have to get to the bolt underneath there because you gotta take this one off. This is your deep 10mm. Not a lot of room. I might need an extension. And this John's long. Get it, Long John. So funny. All right. So there's one off. I just gotta figure out how the fuck this gets off. It looks like you compress it. Okay, you just yank on it. Yank on that, and then you're gonna get this other 10mm off. All right, there's those two out. Now I believe we gotta take these two clamps off. Alright, there's that one. That one. And now real quick, we need to take off these two screws right here for the MAF sensor. Damn. These things are on here tight. There's one. Don't drop, please. There we go. Alright. Well, I mean, this is already here now. Oh, is it this fucking thing? Bro, how do you get this out? Am I just not yamming it enough? Whatever. That can just lay there. I don't think that really even needs to get fully off. So now, just gotta yank on this, yank on this. We have this contraption, and turn clockwise, and then it should release, there you go, from that. So let me see if I can get a better view of that for you guys. So on this little thing right here, there's this little latch. You just gotta push up and over and then pull up on it. And now I believe this entire thing is free. Let me move this out of the way. All right, there we go. Look at all that. The fuck's even in there? Now you do need to move this ground wire here, at least from this part, from above to underneath this bracket. I'm sure there's a way to get this without actually having to cut anything, but I don't care. All right, I'm gonna take it, tuck it underneath, just like that. Mine already came assembled, so I apologize on that. I'm not gonna be able to show you guys how to cut all of these rubber moldings here, or how to assemble this. But I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. You got screws you put together, and then you just put these on the outside. So what I'm gonna do is line up this little tab right here, goes into that grommet. All right, so allegedly you need to move this wire loom. It was like hanging right here to the left side on this AC line. So maybe that'll give me more clearance. I don't know, I'm about to find out. Okay. Okay, yeah, I did it. So you gotta just move this over. I'm just an idiot. I'm gonna go ahead and put my MAF sensor back in so it doesn't get too messed up and dirty. So next I gotta figure out how to transfer this. I need to do more research on that. Alright, so all of the tutorials and videos I'm watching, nobody's mentioning this fucking clamp with the strength of Godzilla's jaws wrapped around this thing. So I assume that is what's preventing me from taking it out. Oh, finally got that thing off. So I don't know if this is supposed to be a reusable piece, but it fucking no longer is. There we go. This thing, there was a completely closed together like that, so I just took a couple of pliers and started yamming on it. Oh my gosh. It's kind of the pain of working on older cars. Everything's so fucking tight because it's been sitting for fucking 15 years. Some of this magical juice in here. Fucking bitch. This is what you want. You have this tube go onto here like that, and this one face the same way, and then screw this onto the elbow here. And then you want it to face the same way like that. So then it looks just like this. You take this, make sure you have your thing facing the right way so you can at least screw it down. You put it like this. Alright, I just have it loose on there right now. Go to these. Put that one over it right here. This one over that. I might want another one. This one can go on right here. Now we're just gonna slide this in between. Alright, I got it on, slide it in differently, and then I was able to get a seat in here first, and then I pushed over throttle body because it was a lot easier, and now it's on. So now just gotta take this guy, put him back on here. There we go. Now I gotta tighten up all these clamps real quick. Alright. I don't know if this needs to be back on here or not. I think it'll be fine. There is a nut for that. Right in here. That'll go just over top here. Alright. And the piece de resistance. Got the filter. And somehow shove it in here. If this doesn't fit, I'm killing myself. Oh, come on. Should I have done this first? And where did it go? Oh no. Oh, come on. Oh. Oh yeah. We're Gucci. Almost forgot the hood insulation, so don't worry, I put that on. Alright, well, with a little finessing and fandangling, I got this filter to go on. Still not sure if it's the right size or not. I may order replacement Rotofab one because this is K&N, but other than that, the kit is all together. It is buttoned up, looks awesome. So I'm gonna do a quick revving clip right here, but it's a little dark out to do some driving impressions. So I'm gonna do the revving clip, and then tomorrow I'll go ahead and shoot for the driving impressions. All right, well that sounds pretty good to me. I didn't feel anything weird. It's not no check engine lights or anything are on. It's idling fine, so I don't think I have any vacuum leaks. So yeah, sounds pretty good from what I heard. But tomorrow morning I'll go ahead and get you guys some driving clips, which you guys will see right now. All right, y'all. So it's actually 2 days later. Just got busy, so didn't have time to film this, but here we are now. Gonna do some POV driving impressions. Trying to get the car up to temp. This car takes a while to get up to temperature, so I'm just gonna drive around a little bit. I'm also extremely low on gas, and I have a low tire pressure, so ignore all that. When this thing gets up to temp, we'll go ahead and give it some wide open throttle pulls to hear how it sounds. All right, the car's pretty warmed up now, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a wide open throttle pull here to see if we can hear the supercharger. So let's go. Oh my gosh, yeah. Oh dude, that sounds awesome. Holy shit, that sounds so good. Yeah, that sounds awesome. Let's go ahead and get you guys some outside clips, and then we'll wrap this video up. Alright guys, that'll just about do it for this one. Yeah, it sounds fucking awesome. I am so stoked. Definitely worth it. Definitely worth the price. Even if you pay the full 500 bucks MSRP, it is definitely worth it. That sounds badass. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll go ahead and catch you in the next one.